Mark Churchill with USLED with a how-to video on the USLED Tube Retrofit Kit. The USLED Retrofit Kit comes with the following items. One USLED Type B LED tube. It also comes with a set of black and white wires and a USLED unshunted tombstone. Lastly, it comes with a label showing that this kit or this light fixture has been retrofitted with a USLED tube. The retrofit process is comprised of two principal and simple steps. Step 1 is the removal of fluorescent connections, and step 2 is the installation of LED tube retrofit components. Let's go ahead and look at step 1 now, the removal of fluorescent connections from your existing light fixture. And remember, before you start any installation or retrofit job, make sure you've disconnected from incoming power. And also make sure that your job complies with local electrical codes. Okay, step 1 is to go ahead and remove the existing fluorescent tubes, as well as remove the belly pan by, in this case, removing the quarter turn fasteners. We're also going to then remove the tombstones that are connected to the red wire. These are pinching the sides, pushing out these shunted tombstones, and we are going to replace these with unshunted tombstones. Next is to disconnect the fluorescent ballast from the incoming branch power and leave the ballast in place. Cut the black and white wire within an inch or so of the ballast, as well as the red wire within an inch of the ballast, and disconnect the wire nuts from the incoming branch power. Now, with the branch power disconnected from the fluorescent ballast, you are finished with the blue wire connected tombstones and can move on. Next is to install the USLED Retrofit Kit, which includes black wire, white wire, and an unshunted USLED tombstone. Connect the black USLED wire by pushing it into the hole associated with one of the circuits or terminals of the unshunted tombstone. Take the white wire and do the same, but at the other side of the terminal or circuit. It's a matter of just pressing in, and you can pull on it to make sure that a positive connection has taken place. Next, after those are connected to the tombstone, the unshunted tombstones, then connect to your branch power by using wire nuts, white to white and black to black. When you have a fixture with multiple tubes, you want to have multiple kits on hand with one unshunted tombstone for each and every tube. What you'll do is jumper each successive tombstone from the first one that we connected previously. And in this case, you will jumper by taking one of the USLED black wires and connecting in the same circuit side as what we previously connected, as well as the white wire in the opposite circuit. Next, you'll take your second or successive tombstones and you will connect them in their separate circuits. Next, simply press the unshunted tombstones into the vacated tombstone slots. These are pushed up from below, and make sure that each of the tombstones have been put in place properly, that each of their plastic detents have been unsprung across the slot. Next, we will install the belly pan with the quarter turn fasteners. Now it's time to install the USLED tubes. Remember to connect the end with the silver label towards the end that has the unshunted tombstones that you just retrofitted. Remember to remove the bi-pin protectors that are shipped with each and every USLED tube. Placing the tube into its tombstones, remember to twist 1/4 turn with the label moving towards the belly pan to maximize your light output when the fixture is installed. Again, in this second tube, removing the bi-pin protectors, put in the light fixture, turning a 1/4 turn, and lastly, remember to apply the label showing that this fixture has been retrofitted with USLED tubes and is compliant with UL requirements. Well, this concludes the installation of the USLED Retrofit Kit. My name is Mark Churchill. Hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.